Hello students, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is fraction. Yes, up till now we have learned about ratio and proportion. So let's learn more about fraction. Students, from the 4th standard you are learning about the fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Let's see. Search for a pizza and you 6 friends want to eat. So you will make 6 equal parts of one whole pizza. So student, this each part is called fraction. How we are writing about this? The total number of parts we are writing downside of a line, and about a one part, so that one we will have to write upside. So this, the value of one part of whole is 1 upon 6. So as a fraction we can write this one part 1 upon 6. So each friend or each child will get 1 upon 6 part of whole. Students, in a fraction, uppermost part is called numerator, and downside of the line, this part is called denominator. Fraction, that is 2 upon 6, 5 upon 8, 2 upon 7, etc. are the example of fractions. Again student, we can read this fraction like 2 out of 6, 5 out of 8 or 2 out of 7. So such a way students, we can learn more about fraction. So our next topic is types of fractions.
Like and unlike fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, etc. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 5 upon 8, 5 upon 3 or 2 upon 7, etc. Now, types of fractions. First, proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fractions. For example, 2 upon 8. Here 2 is smaller than 8. So 2 upon 8 is proper fraction. Now, improper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fractions. So for example, 5 upon 2. Here 5 is greater than 2. So 5 upon 2 is improper fraction. And also 4 upon 4 is also improper fraction, because 4 is equal to 4. Next, mixed fractions. A mixed number means mixed fractions is the sum of a natural number and proper fraction. For example, 1 plus 1 plus half is equal to 2 and 1 upon 2. So, mixed number 1 plus 1. This 2 is a natural number and half is a proper fraction. Now, next topic is convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, convert 5 and 3 upon 9 into an improper fraction. So, solution. Formula: natural number multiply with denominator plus numerator upon denominator. So Now we will put the value 5 and 3 upon 9 is equal to 5 multiplied by 9 plus 3 upon 9. 5 nines are 45 plus 3 upon 9. So 45 plus 3, 48 upon 9. It means 5 and 3 upon 9 is equal to 48 upon 9. Let's see how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 9 upon 2 convert into the mixed fraction. So 9 will divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. So we will get remainder 1 and quotient 4. So mixed fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So 9 upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2. We can write it 4 and 1 upon 2.
Let's see one example how to change the given fractions into the like term. So here given fractions are 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. To change all the fractions into the like term, we need all the denominators are same. So students, we will take the LCM of all the denominators. So LCM of 3, 5, 4 and 6 is 60. Now let's see 1 upon 3. So if we want to change the denominator 3 into 60, so we have to multiply with 20. So same we will multiply upside also with the 20. So 20 upon 60. Next one 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5, here 5 will multiply with 12. So upside also 2 also will multiply with 12. So 24 upon 60. Next one 3 upon 4. So in 4 we will multiply with 15. So 3 will also multiply with 15. Then answer will be 45 upon 60. Next one 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6, here 6 will multiply with 10. So its numerator also will multiply with 10. So here 10 upon 60. Such a way students, all the given fractions we have changed into the like terms. So like terms will be 20 upon 60, 24 upon 60, 45 upon 60 and 10 upon 60. Such a way you can solve remaining example. So student, based on this all topic you can solve exercise 14th A. Now we will see some new topics, that is
a fraction in its lowest term. A fraction is in the lowest term when the only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. See the example, 6 upon 18 is divided by 6 upon 6. So 6 will divide by 6, we will get 1, and 18 will divide by 6, we will get 3. So 1 upon 3 is the lowest term of 6 upon 18 because 1 and 3 have only one common factor. Now next, a fraction can be reduced to its lowest term by keeping dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number till you cannot divide further. So for example, 18 divided by 2 and upon this 30 also divide by 2. So as we know 18 will divide by 2, we will get 9 and 30 will divide by 2, we will get 15. This both number 9 and 15 will again divide by 3. So we will get here 9 will divide by 3, so 3 and 3 5s are 15. Again, you can also reduce the given fraction to its lowest term in just one step by finding the HCF of both terms and then dividing by it. We will take here same example, 18 and upon 30. So HCF of 18 and 30 is 6. So both number we will divide with the 6. So 18 will divide by 6 and 30 will also divide by 6. So we will get here answer 18, 6 3s are 18, and 6 5s are 30. So you can see here you will get the same answer. Next, see the example. Reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Now 14 will divide by 7 upon 21 also will divide by 7 because both numbers is possible to divide with 7. So you will get here 2 upon 3. Let's see one more example. Reducing the following fraction to their lowest term. So the example is 16 upon 20. So both number we will divide with 4. So 16 will divide by 4 upon 20 will also divide by 4. So students, we will get the answer 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20.
Let's see how to compare the given fractions. So to compare these both fractions, we need its denominator same. So for making the denominator same, again we will take the LCM of 9 and 4, that is 36. So 5 upon 9, 9 will multiply with 4 which give us 36. So upside also we will multiply with 36. Or 3 upon 4, in 4 we will multiply with 9. So here also we will multiply with 9. So it will give us 20 upon 36 or 27 upon 36. Now it is easy to compare the given fractions. That if denominator are same, then big numerator is the big fraction. So student, 20 upon 36 is smaller than 27 upon 36. It means the original fraction, that is 5 upon 9, is smaller than 3 upon 4.
Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. Smallest to largest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And descending order means big to small. It means 4, 3, 2, 1. Largest to smallest. Comparing fractions. Remember, you can only compare fractions from the same whole or the same sized whole. So, fractions with the same numerator. In unlike fractions with the same numerator, the fractions with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. So, for example, we will see here if all the numerators are same and denominators are different. So, students, if numerators are same, then big denominator have small value. So we will arrange in ascending order. So small to bigger. It means smallest 5 upon 16 is the smallest. So we will arrange here all the numerators are same. Then at the denominator place first 16, then 13, 12, 7 and then in last 6. Yes, 5 upon 16, 5 upon 13, 5 upon 12, 5 upon 7 and greatest one is 5 upon 6. Now we will arrange in the descending order. So descending order just opposite of that. So 5 upon 6 is the greatest one. Then 5 upon 7, 5 upon 12, 5 upon 13 and in last 5 upon 16. Now let's see if fractions with the same denominators. Yes, student. If numerators are different and same denominators are there, then small numerator have small value and big numerator have big value. So we will arrange the given fractions into the ascending order. As we know, 8 is the smallest numerator. So 8 upon 19 have small value. So 8 upon 19, 9 upon 19, 10 upon 19, 11 upon 19 and then 15 upon 19. Just the opposite we will arrange for the descending order.
Let's student, we will solve one example of descending order. So 5 upon 16, 13 upon 24 and 7 upon 8. To compare these given fractions, we have to change its numerator or denominator same. So in this example, we will change its denominator same. So to make the same denominator, we will take the LCM of all three denominators. So 16, 24 and 8 LCM is 48. So 5 upon 16. So to 16 we will multiply with 3, we will get 48. So in numerator also we have to multiply with 3. Same 13 upon 24. So 24 will multiply with 2. So 13 also will multiply with 2. Here you can see 7 upon 8. So 8 6 are 48. So 7 also multiply with 6. So you can see here 15 upon 48, 26 upon 48 and 42 upon 48. Now it is easy to compare which fraction is bigger. So if denominators are same, then bigger numerator is the big fraction. So students, here we want to write in the descending order. So first we have to write the biggest fraction. So 42 upon 48 is the bigger fraction. Then 26 upon 48. Then 15 upon 48. Now 7 upon 8 is bigger than 13 upon 24 is bigger than 5 upon 16. So such a way we can solve the one example of ascending order also. Now let's start. We will solve one example of ascending order, but with the same numerator. So let's see 5 upon 6, 2 upon 7, 8 upon 9 and 1 upon 3. We are going to compare this fraction. So we will take the LCM of all the numerator, because here we want to change all the numerator same. So LCM of this all numerator is 40. We change this all the numerator into the 40. So we multiply 5 with 8. So downside also we will multiply with 8. 2 multiply with 20. So 7 also multiply with 20. 8 multiply with 5. So 9 also will multiply with 5. And 1 multiply by 40. So 3 also will multiply with 40. So final numbers we got 40 upon 48, 40 upon 140, 40 upon 45 and 40 upon 120. Students, here we got all the numerators are same. If numerators are same and denominators are different, so which denominator have small value like 45? The value of that fraction is big. So in this given all fraction, 40 upon 140 is the smallest fraction. As we are going to write here ascending order, so smaller to bigger we are going to write. So smaller fraction will be 40 upon 140. Then after 40 upon 120. Then 40 upon 48. And biggest one will be 40 upon 45. So its main value we will write here 40 upon 140. It means 2 upon 7 is the smallest one. Then 1 upon 3. Then 5 upon 6 is the smallest. Then 8 upon 9. So student, such a way we can change the numerator or denominator same, and we can compare the fraction and we can write the given fraction in the ascending or descending order.